pulling some muscles if I did that.
Love is nothing more than just a waste of your time. Waste it on me, waste it on me, waste it on me. Tell me right now, waste it on me.
Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy and your host Mickey here. We are back with a new reaction video. That is right, and today we got a duet. RAIN and JYP, Park Jin-young, the owner, the CEO of JYP. So yeah, I'm very excited to check this out, and I'm very curious to see how this is gonna go about. I mean, first of all, when you hear JYP, you know, his name in any song, you know it's gonna be like a very classy, funky, I don't know, like retro kind of a song, because you know that's his style, and we've seen that in the past many of times in like any collaboration songs or any like, you know, just his own song. But because this is RAIN has done a lot of type of song itself as well. At the end of the day, I feel like this is going to be like a classy song, just based on, I mean, they are wearing suits in front of us right now in the screen. But yeah, anyways, only one way to find out, guys. We're gonna dive into this right now. Check it out together. We got Switch to Me by the two OGs, RAIN and JYP. So let's go, let's get it.
형 요즘 좋으시겠어요? 하는 일마다 다 잘 되시니까.
다 똑같지 뭐. 너야말로 요즘 난리도 아니던데. 영성이 자자해.
그래도 형 따라가려면 멀었죠 뭐.
금방
Oh,
따라잡겠던데.
this is getting serious,
시간과
man.
방법을 안 가리니까.
그거 다 형한테 배운 건데요 뭐.
Oh snap! Oh, it is getting heated here. Dude, for some reason, why does it feel like I'm watching or about to watch like the new 007 kind of movie or something? Feature RAIN and JYP, the upcoming 007 movie. Oh, especially with this instrument as well. It's like a, you know, secret agent kind of a sound.
네가 너무 아까워. 네 남잘 본 적은 없어도.
Ooh.
뭐라
Bro,
설명할
JYP
수
still has it.
없어도.
Vocals.
네 옆에 내가
Oh.
맞는 것 같아.
Okay, RAIN.
내게 기회를 줘.
What? Yo, dude, the outfits, man. And I knew it, guys. I knew this was gonna be like a funky kind of song. Oh, the shuffle. Let's go.
네가 남자가 있다는 사실 알아. 그림자에게 미안하지만
You're sorry, boy.
자리가 탐나.
I don't want it.
나쁘지 않은 사람인 것도 알아.
Oh, of course, he rocks up on in a Ferrari. So they're like basically in love with this girl here. No way. Of course, man. JYP always has to be one up. This guy. Bro, that foot movement. Oh my god, dude. RAIN is so ripped. This guy's shredded out. Hey, yo, I'm liking this choreo. I bet you guys right now, JYP probably made up this choreo. I feel like it's more of his style, you know? Oh my god. This is the rap style. Ooh. See you later. He's stealing her from him. Oh my god, guys. Wait. Let's take this back a bit, alright? That rap style, though, was so nostalgic to me. The reason is because that is the classic JYP rap style back in the days. When you hear that kind of rap style, like give it a listen. Just give it a listen, and you guys know what I'm talking about. Yep. Oh my god, this is so good. Oh, this is the rap song, man. This brings me back, for sure. To the good old 2 PM days as well. Oh my god, of course. Oh my god, JYP does it again. This is gold. It does it again. Yo, this is funny, man. Their relationship. Hey, bruh. Yo, the girls be frothing. I'm telling you. I mean, I'm gonna go with JYP, man. He has the got the helicopter, man. Oh, wow, they can still do the splits, bruh. I'll be freaking pulling some muscles if I did that. What? Yo, where did Psy come from? No way. What? Yo, see you boys. Yo, she used them, man. She definitely used them. Psy though, what? I was not expecting this dude coming in like that. Yo, he just came out of nowhere. Oh yeah, that's right. I just remembered that JYP and P Nation are gonna be having a collab soon. So, ooh, this might be like leading up to that collab in a way. I'm not too sure, but wow, that was interesting. You know what'd be cool, guys? I feel like P Nation, well, Psy, I feel like he's gonna release like a MV or a song after this where RAIN and JYP would be featured in the video or something in the background, you know, all sad and stuff, and obviously this girl and Psy would have a good time. I don't know, man. This is sick. This is funny, man. I really enjoyed that. Oh my god, this is hilarious. The song itself, the dance, see, I knew it, guys. I knew it was going to be like a funky, classy song. You know, as soon as you see JYP or see his name in any song, you know it's definitely going to be like either old school, funky, classy, sexy, maybe even sometimes. But yeah, I really enjoyed that. Basically, she played them. She played RAIN and JYP, man, that girl. And at the end, she was like, nah, I'm going with Psy. He has all the money. But anyways, guys, you guys let me know how you guys are feeling in the comment section below about this duo or duet by RAIN and JYP and how you guys are feeling about it. And I definitely can't wait to see what JYP and P Nation has for us, you know, in this upcoming year, because they are having a collab. Maybe this could be like just like a teaser to that collab or some sort of way, you know. And final thing I would like to point out, guys, was the freaking rap style, man. That was so nostalgic to me because, you know, I've been following JYP from its early days, you know what I'm saying, since 2 PM and stuff. They all rapped in that kind of way. That's the classic JYP rap style. Even GOT7, you know, early days of GOT7, the rap style was like that. And yeah, like I said, let me know how you guys feel in the comment section below. But yeah, that is probably it for this video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. If you guys did, make sure to smash that like button, share and subscribe, and also let me know what else you guys want me to check in the comment section below. And yeah, what else you guys want to see. But other than that, thanks for watching as always, and you guys all take care. Your boys out. Peace, y'all. Peace.
Choose me.